Isn't this cute? I just turned around and I saw Precious Piper under two envelopes and next to a box like this. Yeah, we have to see what she's doing. What you doing there? You really getting into your work, aren't you? Oh my goodness, what is that? A little piece of packing material? Boy, you find it all, don't you? Waste not, want not. Oh, you're just so cute. What was that? Oh, look at that baby. Look at that. She knows how to have fun. She knows how to have fun on the job, don't you? Yeah, you're pretty smart.